Today learn magic ring and hiding yarn. First magic ring. First make a turning chain. The first position, novice babies make a stitch marker. At the V-shaped position, this is the first stitch. We need to crochet 6 single crochets. After 6 are completed, pull the yarn tail tight. After tightening, insert the needle at the stitch marker position. And here we need to hide the yarn. That is, place the yarn tail above the crochet hook, then pull the yarn through. Then start the second round. First make a turning chain. Insert the needle into the same stitch position. Continue kneading to hide the yarn. Place the yarn tail above the crochet hook. Wrap the yarn and pull it out. This is the first stitch of the second round. We put on a stitch marker. The method for this round is to crochet a single crochet increase in each stitch. We similarly crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. 6 stitches and total crochet 6 groups, total 12 stitches. The third stitch below. Also crochet 2 single crochets, then finish the rest yourself. After finishing, slip stitch with the first stitch. Below begins the third round. The yarn tail in the back is mostly hidden, you can cut it off. Then begin the third round. First make a turning chain. The first stitch crochet 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker. The next stitch crochet a single crochet increase. This is one set. The crocheting method for this round is 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet increase is 1 set, crochet 6 sets in total. Complete the rest of the crocheting yourself. After finishing, slip stitch in the first stitch. This is how the 3 rounds of the magic ring look. Next we continue crocheting the fourth round. First make a chain stitch, then crochet 1 single crochet in the same stitch. In the second stitch crochet 1 single crochet increase. In the third stitch crochet 1 single crochet. This makes 1 set, crochet 6 sets in total. The crocheting method for this round is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, 1 single crochet as 1 set. Follow up crochet and complete it yourself. After finishing crocheting, slip stitch with the first stitch. The 4-round magic ring tutorial is just like this.